Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar. We are so excited to have you all here. I'm Anshika, Product Consultant at XfilesPro.
And I'm Purnima.
Together, we'll take you through something truly exciting, the future of document generation in Salesforce.
When we say the future, we mean Doc Gen 2.0, powered by AI and automation, designed to make Salesforce document generation faster, smarter, and way more efficient. So if you're someone spending hours on manual document processes, then this session is for you.
Here's what we have planned for you today. We'll start with a quick introduction to XfilesPro, who we are and how we are transforming document management. Then we'll dive into XfilesPro document generation, exploring its current capabilities and how it simplifies document creation in Salesforce. Next, we are thrilled to announce Doc Gen 2.0 on an automation-first approach that takes the hassle out of document generation, approvals, and e-signatures. We will also share real customer success stories showing how businesses are already saving time and effort with our solution. And finally, we'll wrap up with Q&A session. So stay tuned and get your questions ready. Now, to get things started, I'll pass it over to Purnima to introduce XfilesPro, what it is and what we do.
Thank you, Anshika. So here at XfilesPro Lab, we're dedicated to making document and data management in Salesforce seamless and stress-free. As a trusted app exchange partner and ISV partner for over 15 years, we offer innovative solutions for file storage, document generation, data archiving, data backup. All these products help businesses streamline their processes and enhance security. We have around over 1,000 customers across the world, and our expertise ensures effortless document management. So when it comes, and you can look at the Wall of Fame, we've actually won Partner Innovation Award consequently for 3 years. And we've also won Partner of the Year Award in the year 2022 and 2023. We also won the Demo Jam as well. So when it comes to XfilesPro is a comprehensive document management application. It is specifically built for Salesforce. We currently have 2 applications for document management. One is document storage and collaboration, which optimizes storage by integrating with external platforms. And another is document generation and document lifecycle management. To shed more light on in today's webinar, we'll be talking more on document generation and document lifecycle management. I would like to pass it over to Anshika to give us a brief introduction of what document generation is and what its current capabilities are. And like in the title, you see Doc Gen 2.0. We will be speaking more on what is coming with the next version of document generation. So moving on, Anshika, I think you can say what document generation is.
All right. Let's be honest. How many of you have struggled with creating documents in Salesforce? You know the drill, pulling data manually, copy pasting into templates, then again fixing formatting issues. Again, you're doing double check for errors and then waiting forever for approvals. It's a slow, frustrating process that eats up valuable time. And let's not even talk about mistakes. We are all human. Typos happen. Numbers get mixed up. Outdated terms slip through. But in business, even a small error can lead to compliance issue, lost deals, or unnecessary back and forth correction. Plus, when different teams use different templates, you end up with inconsistent documents that create confusion and inefficiencies among yourselves. Then let's talk about the biggest headache. Salesforce and document generation often don't work hand in hand. You are manually pulling data, then it should just be there, auto-filled, and ready to go. After all that effort, the document gets stuck in approvals. Then you're waiting for a signature, then dragging out your entire process. So why are you still dealing with this? The good news is you don't have to. There is a much smarter way, and we are here to show exactly what it is. Before we jump into what's next, let's take a moment to talk about XfilesPro Doc Gen, a solution that's already making a huge impact. If you have ever struggled with creating contracts, proposals, or invoices in Salesforce, you know how time consuming and error prone it can be. That's exactly why we built XfilesPro Doc Gen, to make the hassle out of document creation with automation, accuracy, and seamless Salesforce integration. Right now, our document generation solution already does a lot. As you can see on the screen, we'll talk about what XfilesPro document generation have and how it is helping the businesses. Now let's imagine a world where document generation isn't a hassle, but a seamless automated process. With XfilesPro Doc Gen, that's exactly you get. With instant document creation, you can generate fully structured documents directly from your Salesforce record in just few clicks. No more manual data entry or formatting hassles. Plus, dynamic data merging ensures your documents always pull the right information from Salesforce, auto-filling fields accurately, and eliminating errors. And of course, you need flexibility. We got you covered with multiple format support. So whether it's PDF, Word, Excel, or PPT, you can generate exactly what you need. And instead of jumping between platforms for signatures or e-signature integration, our e-signature integration lets you sign and send documents in one seamless flow. Best of all, workflow automation takes care of everything from creating to approvals. So your documents move through the process effortlessly without delays or any error. XfilesPro Doc Gen is already making life easier for so many businesses. But we wanted to push the boundaries even further, and that's where Doc Gen 2.0 comes in. It's smarter, faster, and built for the future of automated document generation. But rather than just telling you about it, let's hear it from Purnima, who will take you through everything you need to know about Doc Gen 2.0. What's new, how it works, and how it's going on. Like to revolutionize your documents. Over to you, Purnima.
Thank you, Anshika. That was great. So this is what, like she said, XfilesPro Doc Gen is already capable of doing a lot of things. Like it can automate your entire process of document generation, right? But what, like you see on the screen, XfilesPro Doc Gen 2.0 says document generation plus lifecycle management. From here, I will tell you what is new with Doc Gen and why you need it. So the first thing is Doc Gen 2.0 is not just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. From template setter to acquiring e-signature, we have made document generation in Salesforce in a very simplified way. So we all know that businesses handle a lot of documents, right? Contracts, proposals, invoices, SOW, you name it. There are hundreds of documents and there are different departments. So we realize that there are some documents which are very specific to industries and there are other documents which are specific to departments. When we say sales documents, usually they generate invoices, quotes, proposals, right? But when we say industry specific templates, we're talking about templates that are specific to manufacturing industries, finance industry, legal industries, right? We have these templates inbuilt in our application, which can just be, when your team needs it, it can just click it and just get it. So let me give you an example to better understand this. Say your sales team need to send a proposal to a client, right? So instead of drafting one from scratch, they can select a pre-approved template from our application. Then they can collaborate on this template with the marketing team in real time to update branding elements before finalization. Okay, now the template is ready, right? So the sales team has added whatever they have to do. And now the proposal has to be shared with the legal team. So when you share it with the legal team, you say, hey, here's this proposal that I have to send to a client. Can you please quickly edit the clauses based on the compliance guidelines, right? Now you are doing everything. Everybody is working on the same document. There are no multiple documents, right? There is only one document that your sales team is working on, your marketing team is working on, and your legal team is working on. So there is no document duplication. Okay, now your document is sent to your client. Now, after a month or so, say your client calls you, he hits you up with, yo, I need this proposal to be revised. Can you do it? The thing is, the best part is since there are no duplicate documents and everybody is working on the latest document, you just go retrieve the latest version, make updates, and send it back to your client. As easy as that. That is what advanced template management is. Template creation, template sharing, template edit, template collaboration, template versioning, template approval, which can be done by a single person, by multiple people. It can be done department-wise. And we have industry-specific templates, department-wide templates. So it's like a template. It's like one place where you can get templates for everything. Every industry, every department, every role, we have it for you. This makes everything easier. Like we all want a simple life, right? We want a very simplified life. We do not want to go through so much hassle-dazzle in this very digitalized world. Get your plain document, copy paste your content, go back to your Excel sheet, copy the date, and then something mismatches and you are sending mails. There is a lot of things. You're just confused all the time. It is not only time consuming, it is mentally very frustrating. In that frustration, we might end up doing things wrong. So that is why we've come up with a simplified document generation for Salesforce. Next, we have document lifecycle management. So what is document lifecycle management and why it's important for your business? You see, every document goes through the same process, right? Once you set the template, you send it to the reviewer, you do the changes when it's required, then it goes to approval. Once it's approved, you send it for e-sign. But the thing is, with manual processes or with traditional ways of generating document, you have to use multiple platforms to do this process. There's no like you're switching between platforms, you document is somewhere, you are somewhere, and it's completely messy. So what our application does is you can handle everything within Salesforce. You can create your template within Salesforce. You can send it to review and you can see where your document is. If it's in review process, it will show you it is in review process. If it's in approval process, it will show you it's in approval process. And the best part is we have X-Editor. So with our Doc Gen application, we had Google Docs integration, but with X-Editor, we have our own inbuilt editing application, where you can edit your documents within Salesforce. You will not be redirected into a third-party application just to edit. It'll happen all within Salesforce, and you can have multiple collaborators at any point of your document generation cycle. Like if you want to have multiple reviewers or approvers, you can have it. If you want to have multiple people doing e-signature, you can do that as well. And it happens all within Salesforce. You do not need an additional tool just for e-signature, right? That was one of the best part of XfilesPro Doc Gen 2.0. So going forward, I think Anshika will speak a little more on, since we already have a document generation application, Anshika can give us an example of how we have helped one of the most leading sustainable waste management company who had the major challenges was creating documents. They had various documents in different stages. So we helped them automate this document generation with just one click. They didn't have to, go back to different platforms or use other additional tools. They could do everything with our Doc Gen application. I think Anshika can explain it better. Over to you, Anshika.
Okay, so now let's talk about how this is already, how XfilesPro Doc Gen is already helping the businesses. Let's take the example of a reworld, as Punima told, a leader in sustainable waste solutions. They had a major challenge dealing with complex forms. We are talking over 100 fields spread across multiple sections, making data entry slow, frustrating, and prone to errors. And it didn't stop there. Every time there was a change in waste type, they had to go through a lengthy re-enrollment and approval process, adding even more delays. To make things even more complicated, the entire process was manual, from filling out forms to generating multiple documents. This not only took up valuable time of theirs, but also led to inefficiencies that slowed down operation and impacted customer experience. And that's where XfilesPro Doc Gen came in. With automated document generation, they completely streamlined their waste profile creation and approval process. Instead of manually entering data or documents were generated automatically with the right information in the right format at the right time. So e-signature integration and real-time status tracking made approvals effortless. No more chasing down documents or waiting endlessly for signatures. Everything happened within Salesforce, smoothly and efficiently. And the best part was dynamic updates meant that any time a waste profile changed, new documents were automatically generated without without anyone lifting finger. So no more manual edits, no more back and forth, just seamless automation that was with XfilesPro Doc Gen. The impact was faster processing, cutting down the time from request to approval. They improved accuracy by eliminating errors and ensuring compliance, and enhanced efficiency, making all operations smoother and onboarding new customers much easier. And this is just one success story. Just imagine what DocGen 2.0 just imagine what DocGen 2.0 with even more automation and AI powered enhancements can do for your business. We can't wait to show you what's next.
Okay. So, Anshika, thank you so much. That was a great success story. They actually had a very complicated use case. If you want to know more about it, you can always reach out to our team. So now let's say, so they were generating a lot of documents, right? As a business user, we all know documents are a part of business. It's like the life and soul of the business. So in a recent study, it was said that almost 70% of the sales reps, they spend most time on doing tasks that are non-revenue generating, right? So, and document generation was one of them. So if you want to automate your Doc Gen, you should definitely check out document generation by XfilesPro. So now that you're generating these documents, they're basically sitting in your Salesforce file storage, right? And some of us don't want it to be in our Salesforce file storage because of its limitation. If you want to buy, extra storage space, it's obviously costly. And if you want to delete them, it's against compliance. So what we have come up with is XfilesPro Document Storage and Collaboration. What it does is it integrates your Salesforce org with your external cloud storage platforms, right? Some of the most popular ones we support is SharePoint, AWS S3, Google Drive, and OneDrive. So in order to make this document management and Salesforce even more better, it comes with additional features such as custom folder structure, which is for better file organization, access control to manage who can view, edit, and share your documents, a trigger utility to automate subfolder creation for every new record that's created on your object. So this subfolder is created based on the folder structure that is applied. A BiSync feature that synchronizes your Salesforce org with your external cloud storage, and vice versa for files and document access. An in-app preview to allow access to view documents within your Salesforce org. And the best part is we also support field service lightning. So your field service agents can upload documents to Salesforce, and it is automated to move to an external cloud storage. We also support Experience Cloud. So your community uses uploading documents also automated. The migration is also automated to your external cloud storage. So Doc Gen, and with Doc Gen, with XfilesPro Doc Gen and XfilesPro document storage and collaboration, it completes your life cycle from template setup, review, and approval process, gathering e-signature, and then finally storing it. It's the dream team for document management in Salesforce is what I can say. I think moving on, we have some questions in our chat box. I think we can answer them. Anshika, do you want to take it?
Yeah. So first question is from Lucas. What kind of document format does the app support? Okay, Lucas. So XfilesPro Doc Gen supports multiple formats like PDF, Word, Excel. So whether you need a formal contract in PDF, a Word document for collaboration, or a structured data in Excel, you can generate and manage it all seamlessly within Salesforce. So we support multiple formats. So I think, Lucas, this was informative for you. So one more question we have from Jenny. Is e-signer part of your application, or do we have to purchase separate license? Okay, so Jenny, the e-signature format comes with the application. You don't have to purchase additional license for this. It's within the XfilesPro.
We have another question from Sophia. It says, what other applications do you guys have? Like I said, we have 5+ applications on App Exchange. We have XfilesPro for file management. We have XfilesPro document generation, and then we have data archiving and data backup. We also have an application called 200 OK. You can always go to App Exchange and visit. Take a look at all our products, or you can visit our website. And also we have 3 new products coming up, which are all AI-powered AI-powered products: Extract, Xmail, and Xagent. There was a webinar hosted on this as well. You can go to YouTube. You can just type in XfilesPro, and you'll be able to see all the recent webinar as well. Or you can simply visit our website, www.xfilespro.com. And this is our email. If you guys want to reach out to us, if you want to know more about the products, how we can help you, our team is always ready to help you guys. Reach out through email, drop an email, or call us on the number, or visit our website, and we'll be right there to help you.
Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's session. We hope you found it valuable. If you're excited about Doc Gen 2.0 or any other products, we'd love to show you a personalized demo. Just reach out to us. Everything, the website and the number, everything is shown on the screen, and we'll set it up for you. Thanks again for joining us today. Stay tuned for more updates from XfilesPro. Until next time,
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.